another episode, but this one's a bit different than usual.
But before we start, we'd like to thank Violet Moon for joining us on the podcast today. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me on the show today, guys.
We'd first like to ask you about what the CRISPR-Cas9 is.
Oh, the CRISPR-Cas9. It might seem like a fancy science term, but it's more simple than you think. First of all, the CRISPR-Cas9, no, it's not the Chris you eat. Instead, CRISPR is short for clustered, regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, and Cas9, which is the CRISPR-associated protein 9.
Can you explain more simpler terms, for the folks out there?
Yeah, of course. Well, I guess simply Cas9 is like a tiny pair of scissors that bacteria naturally have, which scientists wore to precisely edit genes.
I see, so kind of like a guided knife that cuts the DNA in precise places.
Yeah, basically.
That's how it works? That's very interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting. I heard something about it about the socks on your feet.
Just someone your toes. Sorry, I meant to say that in my head. I'm like really sorry about that.
Okay, anyways, I heard about them using the CRISPR-Cas for the first time on a baby. Can you possibly go into further detail about that?
Yeah, of course. About 6-7 years ago or so, this one baby became the first person to ever receive CRISPR-Cas9 procedure to replace the bad cell that could have caused a life-threatening or life-changing disorder. But because of the CRISPR, they replaced the cell with the Cas9 protein, and that potential disorder disappeared.
That's amazing.
I have another question about it.
Yeah, what is it?
Was the baby still inside the womb, or was it out the womb by the time they did the procedure?
I'm pretty sure it was out the womb, by the way.
Yeah, it was. Now one of your socks gonna come off, guys? Sorry. That was very unprofessional.
Okay. Well, you want to ask?
Yeah. When was the CRISPR-Cas9 formally invented?
Actually, I kind of forgot. Do you remember, Catherine?
Yeah, I believe it was from sometime between 2012 and 2013, if I'm remembering correctly.
Yes, that's right. It's been growing drastically over these 12 to 13 years.
Were scientists excited when they find out about it?
Yes, scientists, including myself, were so excited about CRISPR technology that it can be used to correct potential genetic disorders. And when changes are made to the DNA in those cells, the positive trait can be passed on to their all future descendants.
Oh, wow.
Now a break from our sponsors! This is the CRISPR-Cas9 toy/model.
For all ages.
It includes labels.
It's toys now!
Anyways, I have a question myself.
What is it?
Since the CRISPR-Cas is banned for most treatments, what are the other uses for it, and can it be used for anything else?
Great question. The CRISPR-Cas can be used for some really cool stuff besides human DNA. It can be used for making allergy-free foods, getting rid of mosquitoes, DNA recorders to determine cell growth, and even surprisingly, extinction.
Extinction? What? How?
Yeah, it sounds fake, but as we speak, scientists have already revived a species called passenger pigeons in 2022. And people at Harvard are working on the Willy Woolly Mammoth, so it's possible.
Wow, that's crazy.
Ridiculous. Oh my goodness.
Anything else?
I mean, it is used for agriculture purposes too.
I guess that's cool.
Also, there's a brand new research that's pretty mind-blowing. Scientists have recently been working on something called CRISPR-Cas13. Unlike Cas9, which cuts DNA, Cas13 targets RNA. That means it can turn off harmful genes temporarily without permanently changing DNA.
Wait, so that means it's reversible?
Yes, there's also the CRISPR-Cas9, a smaller version found in bacteriophages or bacteria eaters. It's so tiny, us scientists are planning to use it for gene editing inside living organisms, something Cas9 sometimes struggles with.
It's crazy that there's already so much variations of the CRISPR.
Yeah, it's actually insane. I wonder what it's going to be like in the future, since we already have so much.
It's definitely revolutionary, and it's absurd how much more potential it has.
That is definitely inspiring. Thank you again, Violet, for joining us today. It's been fun talking about the new revolutionary devices science is developing.
Thank you. It's been fun here as well.
Alright, everyone. That's it for today's episode on 3 Minds Think Alike podcast.
Make sure to follow, share this episode with someone else for future interviews.
Stay curious and have a good day.